for my inner eyes. And just blend it together with the dark blue. And now here, I chose white under my eyebrows to highlight it, and then also white in my inner eyes. And then the same color, dark blue under my eyes. And just clean up everything, blend everything together. Alright guys, so for my cat eye, I'm using USUPSO eyeliner. First, I will draw my pattern, and then once I have the pattern, I will fill. Just like that.
From USUPSO. Ang cute po niya kasi look. Ta-da! Mahilig ako sa gold. Alright, so pretty. It's so shiny. And it's so gold. Alright. And ta-da! It is gold. Alright. Okay. And here, gamitin ko yung Careline Strobe Stick. Favorite ko to kasi parang this is a highlighter. So, yun. Feeling ko, heavy yung lipstick. But you know, para sa mga magko-cosplay, diba? Pwede na to. Just bring this with you all the time. Kasi, you never know. You have to retouch. Diba? Kasi hindi po siya super stay na lipstick. It's super erasable. Alright? Yeah. Okay. So today, ngayon mga guys, nauuso na diba yung mga super stay na foundation, na lipstick. So, I suggest na yun ang mga bibili na ninyo. Kasi, for me, it saves money too. Even though mahal ang pagbili, pero you can still save kasi you don't need to retouch it again and again. Okay? So for this, I like it. Because I like gold. Kapatid. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. We still need to try. Okay. Oops. So, here siya. Double siya. Ang tawag dito pala is Music Flower Shimmer Eyes 24-hour long lasting, dazzling and dramatic. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Ganun. Ang cute. Look. Can you see, guys? Oh, here. It's super cute. So, ito yung tube niya. Alright, so let's see. Wow. So, next. Paggawa ng cat eye, you have have to be careful when using this. Kasi po, isa siyang, oh my God, I love it. Ooh. Ang soft po ng applicator niya. So yes, and the waiting game is on again. Alright. I like it kasi super tingkad po siya na gold. Hindi po siya yung kailangan mong ulit-ulitin para makita mo yung gold. So you see, I love it. I'm going to use white next time. Kasi, actually, itong video na to is just, isa lang po ito sa mga video na gagawin ko. Kasi I will be a snow queen next time. So, abangan niyo po yun. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing.